Ever wondered how to start your day with a breakfast that's not only delicious, but also a game changer for your weight loss journey? Well, you're in for a real treat today, my friends. We've got the lowdown on how to cook up a breakfast that'll help you shed those extra pounds. So, have you ever thought about how to generate breakfast to lose weight? If the answer is yes, or even if it's a curiosity maybe, you're in the right place. Let's dig into this together. Number 8. Protein-rich options. Choosing protein-rich options for breakfast, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or lean meats, is a smart strategy for weight loss. Protein helps increase feelings of fullness and reduces the likelihood of overeating later in the day. Eggs, for example, provide essential amino acids and nutrients while being relatively low in calories. Greek yogurt not only supplies protein, but also offers probiotics that can promote gut health. Lean meats like turkey or chicken sausage offer a savory and satisfying way to start your morning while keeping saturated fat intake in check. Number 7. High fiber choices. Opting for high fiber breakfast choices such as oatmeal or whole grain cereal can be an effective strategy for weight management. Fiber-rich foods help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to snack on less healthy options later in the day. Oatmeal, in particular, is a versatile choice that can be customized to your taste with various toppings like berries, nuts, or a touch of honey. Whole grain cereals that contain minimal added sugar provide a good dose of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and may help stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 6. Healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats into your breakfast, as seen with options like avocado toast or nut butter on whole grain bread or fruit, can be a smart choice for weight loss. Healthy fats provide a sense of satiety and help keep hunger at bay throughout the morning. Avocado, for instance, is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can promote feelings of fullness. Nut butters, such as peanut or almond butter, offer a combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a nutritious addition to your morning meal. These fats also provide sustained energy, helping you stay focused and energized throughout the day. Number 5. Smoothies. Smoothies can be a convenient and nutritious option for a weight loss breakfast. By blending a variety of ingredients like leafy greens, fruits, and a source of protein, such as Greek yogurt or protein powder, you can create a satisfying and nutrient-packed meal. The inclusion of leafy greens like spinach or kale adds vitamins, minerals, and fiber to your smoothie, while keeping the calorie count relatively low. Fruits provide natural sweetness and additional fiber, helping to curb sugar cravings. Protein sources in smoothies not only promote feelings of fullness, but also support muscle maintenance and repair, which can be crucial during weight loss. Just be mindful of portion sizes and the amount of added sugars or high-calorie ingredients in your smoothie to ensure it aligns with your weight loss goals. Number 4. Vegetable-based breakfast. Vegetable-based breakfasts are an excellent choice for weight loss as they provide a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and fiber while keeping calories in check. A vegetable omelet, for example, combines the protein content of eggs with the nutritional benefits of vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers. This combination not only keeps you feeling full, but also provides essential nutrients for overall health. Sautéed vegetables cooked in a small amount of olive oil make for a flavorful and low-calorie breakfast option, offering a variety of textures and taste to keep your taste buds satisfied. Number 3. Low-calorie option. Including low-calorie breakfast options like cottage cheese or chia seed pudding can be a smart choice for those looking to shed pounds. Cottage cheese is a high-protein dairy product that's low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to increase protein intake while keeping overall calorie consumption in check. When topped with fruits or vegetables, it adds a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meal. Chia seed pudding, on the other hand, is a satisfying and filling option that's packed with fiber and healthy fats. The chia seeds absorb liquid and expand, creating a pudding-like texture that can be flavored with your favorite additions like berries or a drizzle of honey. Both of these low-calorie options can help stave off hunger and provide essential nutrients, aiding in your weight loss journey. Number 2. Portion control. Maintaining portion control at breakfast is a crucial aspect of successful weight loss. Even with nutritious choices, overeating can still lead to an excess of calories, which can hinder your weight loss efforts. It's essential to be mindful of portion sizes when preparing or ordering your morning meal. Use measuring cups or a food scale if needed to ensure you're consuming appropriate serving sizes of cereals, fruits, or other ingredients. You can also opt for smaller plates and bowls to create the illusion of a more substantial meal without increasing calorie intake. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Starting your day with a glass of water is a simple yet effective habit that can support your weight loss goals. Adequate hydration is essential for overall health and can help control appetite. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie consumption. By hydrating your body first thing in the morning, you ensure that you're properly quenching your thirst and may reduce the urge to eat excessive calories during breakfast. Additionally, drinking water can help kickstart your metabolism, and it's calorie-free, making it a perfect choice to complement your weight loss efforts. Consider adding a squeeze of lemon or a few slices of cucumber to infuse flavor and enhance the benefits of your morning hydration routine. That's a wrap for today's Breakfast Bonanza, folks. We hope you're feeling inspired and ready to tackle your weight loss goals with some newfound breakfast know-how. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day, so make those mornings count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious, weight loss friendly bite. And hey, if you have your own breakfast secrets or success stories, share them in the comments below. We love hearing from our awesome community. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep those breakfasts coming. Catch you on the flip side, foodies.